sister, them, even them, some of these children young, they're going to school now, and was no see, 150 years ago, the Civil War be going on now. But I bet you go to that graveyard, and you can see that first South Carolina thing on something that same heads too. People ain't know, but we first South Carolina volunteer regiment. They've been proud, we ancestors would have come out there with a jacket and thing on. Would have marched in and stand strong. See, most of this shall land when we the day on the day. Yeah, you ain't going down the day and been a fight for we. That's right now. That Lord. That child sin spirit what we did, you know, all from way back upon our children and get it, but that evil lasted. Tell me, see, when that evil with a kind said, what's up and be dead in there? Said, that woman said, he look around. He look around and see all the rest of people be dead and chain down like this. See some people be dead and chain together in the aircraft. But they walk soon, and they back bow like a this. And all of them better stand soon. How I say? And when they do that, so all of them come together like a one man. And then march right on back in the mountain, where the children call Middle Passage now. And so they march all the way back out to Buddha. Say, they're shining none of we land, tall. But we ancestors must stay up. Make up their land. Take your hand, take your blood, take your sweat, your tears, everything. Put them together, boil them, and make over this young place. So now richness still there in this soul. Yes, still there in we soul. That's why even all through that civil rights movement, we're going to still get in that same ancestor, the kind of we, and we lock arms and start to say, oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, be buried in my grave and going home to my Lord and be free. Oh, every sisters up to my tongue say, oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. They'll be shouting, they'll be shouting, they'll be shouting over me. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Yeah, that thing happened.
Tell them so.
And can't be no slave.
Go tell them so.
So much of people try to slave.
Yes.
Tell me for throw away the way we are. Tell me we ain't gonna be nothing. Tell me say Guilford we land say ain't been nothing. The skeeter ain't think we did it. Now all the same people want to try for run, we gonna try for come back.
Tell them so.
Want did it when we done did it. All that solid, all that unity, all that person telling them, all these young things, they're not kind, they're not kind, they're not kind. But they're not coming for the right thing. And they're gonna say skeeter be the only one. They know one day. Ha! Any okay. That don't mean no evil. Go. So quick. God is so glad. And that's your deal. Whether we want to crack our teeth like a this, or if we decide we're going to speak this way, we know we have the right to do it. We know that it is our culture. It is the sustainability of our very existence. That we need to code switch, we do it. And we decide that we're just going to stay on the porch together, we do it. And we decide we're going to step on out and go across the bridge and see what them children do up there in Greensboro, we do it. But you know why? Because we had that thing called Mother Wit. And we, like we flag say, we know we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Because who can go through all of what we've been through and still shout about it? But you know one thing, they did in the Gullah Geechee Nation, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, upon all them sea islands. Yes, and 30 to 35 miles inland to the St. John River. The same place where William Tecumseh Sherman get you that water. Special field order what? Yes, sir. Number 15. Okay. Tell them children say from Charleston to Frontier. And all them abandoned rice fields supposed to be issued to the Negro. Say, ain't been a no white supposed to dwell there, lest it been a war going on. Yeah, but when that Civil War, big shoot man, yeah, who did it? We. Gullah Geechee anointed and free. That's right. They're hunting land on the same plantation where the slave began. And this year they want to see we in the newspaper. Want to see we all over the place to fight for hope on that same land. Call them heirs property now. That's right. Because see, ain't nothing but family day on top of it. All of us are the heirs of that black gold legacy, of that richness, of that anointing that makes us who we be. Gullah Geechee. Ah, but you know something. Sometimes you go one way and you do something. And you say, okay, wonder if that's enough. And you go somewhere else and do something else and you still say, wonder if that's enough. And you go somewhere else and you still wonder if that's enough. So sometimes, you know one thing, family? You get to the point where you have a draw back, go back to one land. And right that sound like that elders and ancestors and that footjob and that prayer's house come right in the front of the eye. And now say, yeah, I don't worry about that. Because you done that. And when it said that, I think about that and I said, oh, I done, oh, I done, oh, I done what you told me to do. Oh, I done, oh, I done, oh, I done what you told me to do. You told me for saying I done that too. I done what you told me to do. You told me for saying I done that too. I done what you told me to do. Oh, I done, oh, I done, oh, I done what you told me to do. You told me for prayer, I done that too. I done what you told me to do. You told me for prayer, I done that too. I done what you told me to do. Oh, I done, oh, I done, oh, I done what you told me to do. You told me for sure I done that too. I done what you told me to do. You tell me for sure I done that too. I done what you told me to do. Oh, I done, oh, I done, oh, I done what you told me to do. 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 I done what you told me to do.